the video.
No.
Listen.
No. They're baked cookies.
Not cookies. Potato pancakes.
Not cookies.
Chocolate chip
Potato
pumpkin pancakes.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got some of it stuck in my throat. It's hard, it's crusty, it's hot, and it's stuck in my throat.
You okay? Ew. Drink something.
Thank you. Where is it? There it is. Let's check on this one. Our prize subject. Where's a rug or something? Rug.
Oh, I almost just dropped the computer in the oven.
Can it see it?
Yes.
Not
They
really.
can. Oh,
I can't take it out, can I? I'll hurt myself.
That is.
Oh, you can't really see it well enough. It's really good.
It's a mixture of Pumpkin Pals
Oh,
cookies
they are
And-
pals, so you can say that.
and Toll House chocolate chip cookies.
Let's put more Toll House on there while that's baking.
What?
Oh, whoa! Oh, I thought it was The Incredibles.
The Incredibles?
I thought I heard it.
Mm-mm.
But it's really live Panic in Russia. It is.
Okay.
Dan Quill Junior High, it says.
Woo!
Yay!
Yay.
Where is it?